Right, next up we have the orange mango. Some of the mangoes you'll get in the shops will be red and green. This one's orange. And again, I bought it about 4 days ago. Same place, Taj organic store in the town centre. Got a couple of shots before the cover photo. Ripened up really quick. I left them on the side for a day or two, and then after I've been on the internet, I've actually put them in the fridge. Yeah, right. Let's cut this straight down the middle. Cut it all the way around, and pop it. Ooh. And that's how it looks on the inside. Take that piece, put that there. Right, so you've got the seed, as you know, in the centre. I've cut around the edge. And it's giving you a vibrant orange. On the inside, it looks tasty, doesn't it? Yeah, man, it looks real tasty, that does. Right, let's get a quick picture of that. Made a bit of a mess with that one there. 1 second. Let's get a couple of snaps. It's real bright orange, isn't it? Looks tasty, that does. Right, let me just drop my fingers. Right, so these mangoes, good source of fibre. What I'm going to do, cut that there, cut that in half, cut it here, and pop it over. You can peel the skin off of that there. Let's have a taste of this. Looks tasty. Yes, I maybe eat it within 2 days next time. But very, very nice and juicy. You see, look at the juices. Whoa, yeah, very nice. I'll save the other half because they do like the mangoes. Dripping. It's well tasty, this is. Look at it, vibrant orange. Right, so great source of fibre, boosts the hair and skin health, helps lower cholesterol, controls the blood pressure, helps prevent some types of cancer. And the vitamins in this are A, B, C, E, and K. And it's got antioxidants as well. So yeah, that would be a vitamin C, wouldn't it? You see, really juicy, vibrant. There's the outside. And you see it's coming away. You can actually pop it up, see? Oh, just like that. Right, so I'll save that over half. And I'll eat the other piece here. This is the first time I've had this colour mango. Normally the outsides, the skin would be red and green, wouldn't it? That's what the normal mangoes are like. But this one here, it's different. Tasty. Look at it dripping everywhere. What? Very nice. Very nice. Look, fingers all plenty of juices on them. Yeah, so great source of fibre, boosts the hair and skin health, lowers the cholesterol, helps with your blood pressure, prevents some type of cancers. It's got vitamins A, B, C, E and K, along with antioxidants. Yes, people. Tasty. Get your fruits in. Good for your body, mind and soul. So that's the orange mango. Let's get one more snapshot of that actually. I'm gonna need that for when I do the shorts videos. Right, so here's the seed and the mango stuck to it, so I'll eat it from the seed like that. How juicy that is. Freaking tasty. Yeah. She eat it. That's quick. And then that's what the seed looks like. You can see it better there, really. Just a white seed. Right, I'm gonna have to wash off this chopping board before I do the next one. Delicious.